In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of removing credit cards from your LinkedIn account. Stay with us to the end, as we'll make sure you not only learn how to do this, but also how to keep your account management smooth and hassle-free. To kick things off, you'll first want to open up your favorite web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and sign in using your LinkedIn credentials. Take a moment here to double-check your login details. It's always a good idea to ensure a seamless login experience without any unnecessary hiccups. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll notice your profile picture tucked away at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. When the drop-down menu appears, select Settings and Privacy. This section is your hub for adjusting all things related to your account settings, ensuring everything aligns perfectly with your preferences and needs. Direct your attention next to the option labeled Account Preferences. By choosing this, you're essentially unlocking a section that allows you to manage all your LinkedIn subscriptions and payments, a crucial aspect when you want to keep a tight grip on your financial information associated with the platform. As we continue, let's move on to Subscriptions and Payments. This is where your journey toward managing your payment methods truly begins. Click first on Payment Methods, and then select Manage Payment Methods. Here, you'll find a detailed list of all the credit cards currently linked to your account. This is a splendid opportunity to review what you have on file and make a conscious decision about which card, if any, you wish to remove. It's always wise to declutter this list, especially if you have outdated or inactive information that you no longer need or use. Once you've pinpointed the card you wish to remove, go ahead and select Delete Payment Method. At this juncture, a confirmation prompt will pop up. This grants you a final chance to verify your decision, ensuring that this is the step you really want to take before confirming its removal. And just like that, it's as simple as can be. With these straightforward steps, your chosen credit card will no longer be linked to your LinkedIn account, enabling you to manage the financial aspects of your account with both ease and accuracy. Thanks for watching and sticking around to the end. Hopefully you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tap the bell icon to keep up with our latest updates. Until next time, take care and happy networking on LinkedIn.